What's going on? It's your boy Lawrence Cain Jr., aka the Money Man, here with another video for my young people regarding financial education. Today we're going to talk about a few principles that's going to help you when it comes to earning money. We see it on all social media platforms, people taking these good vacations, people talking about getting good jobs, people making money in their business. So we want to talk about a few principles that's going to help you stay in the right mindset when it comes to earning money. Now, for context, when we start off our journey, when we talk about making money, we're all usually starting off at ground zero, right? We trying to get jobs, we're trying to start that business, and the money doesn't come in like we think it is at the beginning. But with a lot of hard work, with a lot of, building good relationships and building good habits, you can start making good money way sooner now as a young person than it was when I was growing up. A lot of us had to really wait until we got grown to start making good money. So again, I want to really show you some principles that's going to help you, and let's get into it. So the principles are from my book, Money Seeds 30 Financial Principles for the Next Generation. This book was written in 2020, and it was made specifically for you that's watching this video. Now, the first principle when it comes to earning money is we don't chase the bag, we are the bag. Like, when we talk about getting to more money, you have to be better at what you do. That's how you make more money. The more impact you make, the more income you make. It's pretty simple. When you look at the high earners in every industry, they're making more impact. And how to do that is up to your resources, is up to your commitment level, and quite frankly, it's gonna take some time to get to a level of high execution. But remember, we don't chase money. We're not trying to get any and every contract. It sounds good in theory, but you want to be very specific with what you do, because there's riches and niches. The second principle when it comes to earning money is your finances will always be your responsibility. It's not up to your boss to give you a raise. It's not up to the clients that you serve to pay you the most money. You have to be at a point where you take everything to heart and you really get to a point where you are generating enough buzz about your business. If you work a job, you're generating enough buzz about how valuable you are to the company. And remember that you might have to change companies. You might have to pivot in business to make the extra money that you're after. I'm doing it as we speak. So I want you to think about the fact that whatever you're after when it comes to your finances, it will always be your responsibility. Now, the next principle when it comes to earning money is talent doesn't rise unless hard work is behind it. I don't care how talented you are. I don't care how gifted your people said that you were. You still have to work hard. I don't care how great I am at speaking. I still have to put in a certain amount of work every day, because money just doesn't come to you and you're not working. It's just bottom line. You have to put in the work. You have to study. You have to practice. You have to show your work, right? What our resumes, it should show the work that you've done and the value that you can bring to an organization. When we talk about our business, our marketing should convey the value, and we should work hard at that. And that's how you're going to get to your next level when it comes to earning money. When I look at my journey, I literally started at zero my first year of business. I made no money in 2015 from Abundance University. But you fast forward 2024, we're making six figures a year off of a brand that I once didn't make any money from. But it's the hard work that we put behind it. It's the consistency of the hard work. That's what's going to get you to the next level as well. Now, the last principle that we're going to talk about when it comes to making money is some people want $50,000 a year. Some people want $50,000 a month. Now, we see a lot of videos talking about we have the same 24 hours. We all don't, actually. For you watching this video as a young person, you don't have the responsibilities that I have. So our 24 hours, while we may live in the same 24 hours, our lifestyle is different. So I want you to think about how much money you want to make and look at what the person that's already making that money, what are they doing? What type of execution style do they possess? Are they the leader? Are they behind the scenes? What books do they read? What conferences do they go to? What time do they wake up? Like, you have to really start studying it. Like, we talk about education and we automatically go to school, but it's like I read and study more now than I did when I was in college. And I went to school for business, but yet I'm learning more about business now than I did when I was 21 years old. So you want to make sure, if you want to make $50,000 a month, that's a different lifestyle than $50,000 a year. And you got to be willing to understand what can you do to make sure wherever you're at now and wherever you want to be, that you're doing the right things that's getting you closer. Because some people are doing things that's getting them further, and you don't want to be that person. So remember, everybody has 24 hours, but it don't look the same for people that's actually trying to get to it. All right, that's all I have for you today. If you don't have a copy of this book, please get you a copy. I'll have the link below to make sure you can purchase a copy. We ship all over the country, all over the world, baby. Remember, financial success happens on purpose, and success does not visit the lazy. God bless.